Yeah. So let's start. Let's talk about social media management. Okay. So, ayan na, social media management versus social media marketing. Okay. So again, sabi ko nga dami nalilito dito eh. 'Di ba? Sa ano ba talaga yung SMM, ano ba talaga yung isa pang SMM, yung social media marketing, 'di ba? So, social media management focuses on the day-to-day operations and upkeep of a brand's social media presence. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, this is more likely na like a storefront, ganon. Like a storefront na ito yung first stop na reception area na para makita na active ka. 'Di ba? Na example nyo ba na meron kayong pinuntahang page, tiningnan nyo kailan yung last post, 'di ba? Ay, last month pa yung post niya, baka close na 'to, 'di ba? So, this is like a storefront na pinapakita mo, pinapakilala mo, open kami, active kami, eto yung mga ano namin, yung yung mga tungkol sa amin, yung gano'n. So, this includes creating and scheduling content, responding to comments and messages. So, we will talk about that more later. Okay. So, monitoring social media activities and analytics, maintaining consistent brand voice and image across platforms. So, mamaya nga, pag-usapan natin yan. Aimed at building and nurturing an engaged community around the brand. So, yung engaged community, parang yun nga, parang merong nag engage na merong na-active ka pa, yung kumo-connect ka sa mga audience mo, di ba? Yung mga gano'n. So, and then, pag-usapan natin, ano ba yung social media marketing? Okay. So, social media marketing focuses on using social media as a strategic marketing channel, which is basically, it is kind of intentional. Intentional in a sense na ang intention mo dito is mag-market lang talaga kasi kailangan mo yung mag-market talaga to make a sale. Okay? So, kung dito sa social media management, nagma-manage ka ng social media is to keep the business rolling, 'di ba? Active. Dito po, more on intentional ka. Ito yung mga nagpapatakbo na ng paid ads, 'di ba? Facebook advertising included, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, LinkedIn ads. So, ito yung mga paid na. Kung may napansin kayong post na may nakalagay sponsored, ibig sabihin nun, paid advertising yun. Okay? Tingnan natin. So, hanap tayo ng ano. Let's go back to Um, sige wait natin yan. Oops, balik ako sa ano ko, sa page sa profile ko. Okay, so let me show you kung ano, kung napapansin niyo siguro naman, although yung iba hindi pa aware, but let me show you. Yung mga sponsored, may nakalagay na sponsored is mga paid advertising yun. Okay? So intentional yun, medyo intentional yun. Sabi dito, aimed at driving specific business outcomes. Ibig sabihin, their their goal is meron silang ini-aim na isang goal lang, okay? It's either to generate leads or yung mag-get ng mga subscribers, sales, okay? Or brand awareness, yung maraming mag-share ng for example, yung mga ginagamit 'to sa apps, eh. Maraming mag-share ng apps nila, yung mga gano'n, maraming manood. So, basically ito yung nagbabayad ka na talaga sa mga platforms, ayan. So, sobrang ano, ang bagal ng internet ngayon but please bear with me. Okay, let's see. Let me show you yung example ng paid ads. Is it? Oh, this one, sponsored nakalagay, 'di ba? Monday.com. So, ayan. So, ibig sabihin, start your free account today. Their aim is to, for you, for anyone like me na dinaan ng fees, to sign up. Okay? To use this app na to. Okay? So, that is more of the marketing. Yung intention niyan is to market, to target specific people, to target specific to hit specific goal. Okay? Dito. And part of that is defining social media marketing goals, KPI, key performance indicators, which is yung sinasabi ko meron ng goal 'to kasi intentional na 'to, 'di ba? Develop social media campaigns or marketing campaigns, content strategies, may mga target market na pinag-uusapan diyan as in target ano, yung mga kung may mga naririnig kayong gano'n is, more on pinag-iisipan na. More on detailed targeting na kung sino yung dapat makakita nito, okay? Advertising, boosting content on social media analyzing campaign performance or ROI. Nasusunod ba yung target nila, okay? Kung lead generation, kung halimbawa goal nila is to have 1,000 subscribers sa campaign nila, may hit ba yun? Yun yung tinatawag na KPIs, okay? So halimbawa ang target nila is 1,000,000 sales for for 3 months. Okay? So na-hit ba 'yon? 'Yun yung more on specific na 'tong social media marketing and it's paid. While dito sa social media, which is the commonly natin na nagpo-post is social media management ang tawag do'n. So it's more organic, wala kang binabayaran, free lang 'to, post-post lang 'to, okay? But dito, you will target as many people as possible as you want. Depende sa budget mo. Okay? Sa ad spend, kung tawagin. Okay? But we will not talk about the social media marketing or Facebook or advertising because it's our our aim for today is for you to learn the social media management. Okay? As a social to work as a social media manager. Okay? So magkaiba 'yan. Okay, so now let's jump into the step-by-step guide. How to effectively manage social media ng client mo or ng kung gusto mong i-practice sa'yo as a social media manager. So, kasi hindi lahat ng nakikita nating post is alam mo yun, basta may ma-post lang. Okay. So, lalo na if you're working for for a client or for a business, of course, they're expecting return